We received many questions from you about the noise level about these wall-mounted dehumidifiers. So we prepared for you today a short video trying to show you how noisy or how quiet these machines actually are. My name is Peter Rubin. I am export manager at Microwell. We develop and manufacture swimming pool dehumidifiers and currently export them to more than 35 countries worldwide. This is the noise level of a dry 500 swimming pool wall-mounted dehumidifier in a standby mode. Means the machine has power supply and the fans are running at a low speed just to recirculate the air and measure humidity. In the meantime, we have this little fountain which simulates the overflow or some sort of attraction you may find in your pool. So I will now move my microphone closer to the machine. At this standby mode, you shouldn't really be hearing anything from the machine because it's really quiet. And this would be 1 meter away. And this would be 2 meters away approximately. Now we will show you the noise level of the machine in a standby mode. When the fountain is off, means when nothing in your pool will be turned on, so it will be essentially quiet. So this is the standby mode of the machine when the fans are running at very low speed just to measure the humidity. And we're moving approximately 1 meter away. And we're moving approximately 2 meters away. You shouldn't be hearing anything. This is a noise of a dry 500 swimming pool dehumidifier in a full mode. Means compressor is on and the fans are running at a full speed. So this is a stage of a machine which would happen when the machine works at 100% speed. I will move the microphone closer to the machine. This is where compressor is located. And then I will slowly move approximately 1 meter away from the machine. And now I will move approximately 2 meters away. This is the noise of a Microwell dry 500 swimming pool dehumidifier at full speed. Means compressor is on and fans are running at 100%. So this is a stage of a machine which normally occurs when it's working at 100% speed. I will now slowly move the mic closer to the machine. And I will move it approximately 1 meter away. And now I will move it approximately 2 meters away. And finally, let me show you the noise level of a dry 500 swimming pool dehumidifier at full speed. Means 100% fan and compressor when it's drying at full speed, full capacity, with fountain turned on, which simulates overflow or fountain or any other sort of attraction that you may find in your pool. So that's the noise level. And I will slowly move the mic closer to the machine. And I will slowly move it approximately 1 meter away. And approximately 2 meters away.